Introducing the Physics Placer for Blender, the dynamic object placement add-on. Transform your creative journey with this innovative tool designed for seamless and dynamic object placement. Physics Placer empowers you to elevate your Blender experience to new heights. To use the add-on, firstly, begin by choosing the dynamic objects you wish to manipulate. A simple selection sets the stage for your creative endeavors. Then select your collision object, the pivotal point that defines the dynamics of your scene. With this anchor in place, you're ready to infuse life into your designs. And you're ready to go. With your dynamic objects and collision object set, you're now equipped to navigate and control your scene effortlessly. The Physics Placer transforms complexity into simplicity, but that's not all. Activate the drop mode to unleash a whole new level of creativity. By simply pressing the shortcut key on your keyboard, you can effortlessly drop and throw objects, adding a dynamic flair to your designs. Experience the freedom to shape your digital world. Download the Physics Placer now and witness the fusion of precision and play.